This is how to hard reset your Nintendo Switch for like if you're having issues or it freezes. Hold down the power button for like 10 seconds. And then after like 30 seconds, turn it back on. So after you've waited like 30 seconds, turn it back on. And then it shouldn't give you any more issues. If it still is giving you issues, what you do is hard reset it once again. But before you power it back on, as soon as the Nintendo logo comes up, it'll hold down the plus and minus button for the volume. Then it'll go into maintenance mode. From here you can either update, initialize, which is just formatting. You can either format it completely or without deleting any data. Now, it says to exit, just press the power button. And then just power back on.